Pata. Yes, ndagbe keleke mono woman neni woma bani ndi hosime kundeka ndi agbondeka keleke mono woman neni woma bani daroni do menyele chane homa simbo no gist oku nke kutana wo here concerning dinewe marriages ta most of the things so many the things so many already marriages ta ihe amarika wu ehile eyamu ogede pele no kenge so abom ona ewere yes wo yan agbo nnem wo yan agbo ledin wo yan agbo din wo yan agbo but aga kanim olo sweke but ho anwa ko so wo ebe ha sufiono ebe ngale ni mare ya yin legi wo hu ono akuzizem ne nlacho ne mokeme nya hangile me this program in ono eka so yen ke kutane wo oku concerning marriages the kitchen me here tan oku concerning marriages haile kemeta ya hwane most marriages le face some of these problems nke mention etan nke kokwetan nya ha ogi many ya hwa marriage ndi ohun aswoze oso lies ije di na enwiye asokase leke kogere ushin. Yes, I'm doing well, Jude. Yes, Lillian, good day. Tiposhi, is your here make it like ika to the word. Yes, I love you all. They make. So let's go back to the topic. First of all, here kebozo oku ndi halo onye fitile anywhere. That matter nke kweta. Omo ikeye ndi ohomeni. Akpachafu wenya we. Elesi we keme wenya. Yejeda lu ko obolo ken ka ponwa or village champion because nironi we kaka obibi but ilugu wenwa ekefon 1 year 2 years 3 years ya homa ko ndi champion ndi slay queen ndi omewa mama na paint yesi dunye ya sozene ki han munemi ken laju ajojo because I want them with the henim Amanda nlacho onwe o maju we bia o ilacho onwe ya lo ni won shin oluo but won here ime okay ye won girlfriend o shin enwom hon okuwa shi are street we kushin kon kon ki han because ye jolly de get kai loro nweyera where village lo hani or you get kai village da lo but ya mani ni fere opa ho we men we sini we po ya saka hori epo we sini we je party Yoruba njo ho si opo ho won okun ko we choko we lo shin enwon zinukun opo go work on your network go work on your network that your network Tiki Posh, that your UK network carry a work for home. Where be in Nigeria network. So back to the topic. Yes, thank you, Prince Kelvin. On make. When we go and sing, we are was anyway. No change pattern. Yes, great. Yes, Ike chukwene mekele kamyo. Anita lere. Darone. How come on in the channel? I love you all. So when we go and singing, we are was no. Ono chona no change. Ogan kike ki man wani I like okpoho nwukun. Kike ne Kenya chaf wa iwa wenya sini I like okpoho bleaching. Tani ki man wani I like okpoho many oyi Brazilian hair. Nwi ya mai brother o. Ya lorogo. Manage your problem. Long by like that. Where ya kike hwa. Where nwi kike hwa. Responsibility ro need to show up. Ipoho le chane mama tan. Ipoho le chane wo posh lady tan. Ekaya dozi we. Gie kai dozi wiyen okare kota moka ba ezi kenye zo enya. Yegi ke kai wi nke itobomulo. Ye bia also jerapa ya joka onwo hunjo se bia. ogomeni who are complaining we ya address o ma gaje o ma meme what's up ya kuzie also gwa the woman ekweko ogwa the woman is sane enyari ogbe nya ha ogela complaining ipo hosef ohuzi kwa eka di onu gwaze kwa onu elehi ochoko onu egbe utozini ndi oyibo si change is constant ebe change go ipo hokike kendi mugu 7 ari wekwe level a change ole ihu do po ho mugu da 20z mugu da 7 we gwa no mugu hu yekweko but onu ebi onwonu yakata ekile di onu ebume slayers onwome side queen abi side chick onu ekpeme sister onu kegbe woton brother ya lorugo nwunyen packaging nwunyen omeni moku je nwa abu ebo si nobody ugly obu ego na pali mmado so wonu nyere kwa ugly ego ye ndo nyo la mama ego packaging nwunyen ega hile gweri ejede weye slay queen ogbe igi eye nwunyen gweri ejezigbo salon gwonye salon si le style choko ya fian ye nwunyen ya ishi weri eje boutique onye re boutique man no re was up weri nwunye eje ye kwan ya yimeguda omeni ya huko okpa weri eje makeup studio we gi tegwa ma ihe ndi wa girlfriend nwa ete ihu nwunye ya mariko so brother you jeda lo village bebo ya lugo wa weken ya huto onye eje supermarket isi weni ke ngo bread iwe di bread nwa ya tawaria itawari gwa isi weni ke weken ni yengo cousin osozene ntoketo you don't marry carry your load buri yebu agbala hime ohun one side ikeye ndela agbala hime chon ipo hebuke o elento ha mmewa wudo po ho won kanke gili asom bebu nto ni olu eran me ebuke we ihe ri ale ihe ri eme but when nwa yo ndi oyibo see all that glitters is no good. How many who on Facebook, who internet, or one here how many ipo ho le nwa we pa kaya mata ipo ho ka expose on epeleni. Onwo here we po kaya mata. We bu ya hu chengada. Hey brother, he buy ye. Ya mani o ga kegi empty your account ye ipo ho here we ke buke. We gi kaya mata chani here. Igi buy ye. Osomie and yamari the most funny part of him kaya mata bia ko darun ebi lord nke yo ya baye ni orun ko e weni nwayo elu ano ni koreze oshin now ihe kele very important so ihe o many ya la affect most marriages time aneki kenye ko ga bia ekpele ni munemi kenye ihe ri onu ekebuke ekonu ko ga bia ohu ihe ndi egbo kokpo communication you na nwenye ya kuta onwe kenye ndi agbo yonu edu enyere onu du na ihe kwese nyere ki hai ikenye ndi mo some of onu edu ke kwenyere o we na nwayo ko du edu de ni wenyere ihe onu du enyere here ni we onu self BP ekun hypertension high blood pressure we na nwayo o me na nwenye me so le ni ya gwa nwenye ele o honey o di o ele ni ihe ni me oso ni o me na nwenye la observe leke ni nwenye ile runye for okwa hu kugu wa kiken se ni ipo ho njo hu ebi yaka so wenwe yaka ipo nwenye di o onwoke ebun igiri eshi many action homa oyi we dey je bedroom mo woni here journey after all imu hireri e we ri we ba bedroom we dey eru na ncha chaya because kichoko koke gidomen lesim na lie bia ever say elehun is na lie I block an aboma because of lack of communication yes ejoku roshoma wenem communication area nke we so hi gbale pufu hiele ni wero ye hie we so koiku amani de weke the woman e ngode pain Kori emotional adesua. You know I'm talking, right? Kori emotional down omo here we po hormonal imbalance so many or affect people. Sometimes only way she atima we kogboma. Atima we kwesha. All right dear, go and watch cartoon. Good boy, go and cook it for me. Atima we kwesha. Yes, on we communication or can pa. Also na idea hunswe. Also ye rune runse. Communication in kuele sikpa bia o ejuli ona digoni. Ona ofehwa ichokego mba okari ohun. Just so me try any re-involve in her own life. Bia o sometimes o woken we ekeki koku ya mare no lu ahun no won onye le many. But because ni ono akie ni ya mare ko ge nwe ye gere down. Ya mare ko de ni check the onye no bia o onye lalake onye le many. Lack of communication dey bugo most marriage. Ogwogwo magwo most marriage. Ihe boy ke kuzi wo ipa me hia. Ndi oyibo say appreciation. Ija wyen, ija di. Abeli. Because leave my boy now. Shey they doing the operating only day life for your pattern. Yasa kaja wyen. Also wyen gishi je ebile chame. Yasa kasa wyen ya try ka o. Edimo ye make cause what deal with why penny on mundi hona matamidiono ono ama appreciate diono ira kori kan kori poho emune enwem ye make ihe ni ru dim era hwime amam no mekenti botuku ya goze bi ahụhụ ni wofu ha ya yezi yozo yes me mo mesile ni just leku ihe ngale na eme yes I do it ma appreciate my husband o mekere we he no nwe because arego mo gele ono wanu dodo ihe kera hu di many onwe many pamia ikaye ndi agbo pride ono ehike nkpamiata tan ishebu me dodo jeyin ni sheyen cho ni sheyen bu ele inwo hungo ya jame hu na ere ndo jeyin si ni he ime araka ma obu eyin shi bi ya no bu eyin shi ishi kobu isheyin ro no bu eyin shi ihe ozo nke ekuzi wo gifting iye hia gift ikaye ndi ho wewe ye muyewe ngotu ni gift ye diwe kihan ndi oyibo say it takes two to tango ipo ho ndi ho we jeda afia na ho de wa yoto wo 5 naira engoko ni we diwe kihan sister moi this things can excite chiki ipo ho ndi na eri ogbegila adot ndi abaye kaya mata ono amare yes those little things onu mani leni no engo also that need toothbrush di origwo old or one day do you know use my toothbrush over 6 years change you only use the toothbrush just na kasi ni jerafia ni change iwe rize ye change dimo toothbrush ni origwo old ye changes in there ihu si the panta on one day hu panty di onu eyi ibu echi me yorogodo azwila anwo onu as onu asude kwa di onu onwo ipo honjo hu kike ni ma we see I can never wash clothes for my husband onye kewo ohun wi obo mare osunu di eko a onye kewo kono pa yo meni yasaka sunu di eko a onye kewo ekpele onye kewo nchoni mari o yasaka sunu di eko a isi modern my friends don't makasi ndi owi ari eme you we meko onye chukute o orena mma anwegi bua onye dozi ihe o orena mma onye chukute o orahia akpakali o amankwegi bua but message ehwe ba hone onye dozi ihe omekene orena mma idozi ihe orena mma appreciate di ime 500 naira ho ye ko weri 50 naira gi ngone eto ihero ohuze ya ikenya wa o se about ihe ahụ oso wo bi ya no and ya hu ejowo wo ihe wule gbuzikwo marriages yes ikenya enwejowo ikpohe enwejowo ebakika ahụ okenye ibe ka say my wife dare not talk to me if she does I kill her ntoro ihe die ihe nwunye le meme mulo ongo hike geru eba ho ya ho a ongo hike geru eba ya ho an even we ade. Are you seeing Sean over there? This one. Two of you to the room. Take him to the room and remain there. Go and use the laptop. Go and collect the laptop. Two of you, please. All about say my wife dares not. If she dares it, I kill it. Nto when you more out here and send around one here the many. Osaka kupiem. Ira kori we. Ikpoho ibono kabiane adi me yem 500. Honi ri ebe ni here aba me. Ama mi here wa po gold ekpele. Let's ask me can good. But I'm married because my boy catch be canem. Honey, you will costume. Honey, yeah, and you're o fitting. Man, make carry you because a woman lay you gold of 150,000. Oh, greedy, oh, no, will any you a woman. Future moon, a luri hundiabos yaka, orias. Yaka, umpare. Can you make can give by here? Can Jim give by here? Can Mum give by here? Oh, my problem. Let go do 100,000, 1 million. If we hold your where I wear good. My husband bought me good. On credit. Okay, cool. Go here. Most of them were junior borrow pose. I see my husband. Oh, one here where you le feed it here. Yala ko go lo. Sister, don't sing. Obu heta loku. Hey, biao. Ye make ogi si dey need dele ye 50,000 ya maze tonto. He, nkem dey ye 500,000 o. Enya tumo wen to. O jesi dey romeze lue. Lie jam, lie. Oh, that part. Ejowo. Another thing oni. Dine nwiye nwoze funwewe. Once we mo le mu. Romance ndine. My sister is good. Romance and the name. Ogo. All about the man lemezi muyeleke old fashion. Yamo get love on a gas wall. Oh, many was a kahuni oh, deep boy. Baby, have you eaten? Baby, you may go home. Baby, I go. Or we not change. Ya here. Julie. Oh, ya here. Nemeke Kiro. Sweetie, honey, the love of my life, the death of my life. Keep changing. Waking away that love. Mumu, ni so za, ni so bia, ni so stop ye cause I love her. Dodo. Efa ho ya for those babes. Keep on my way, keep us okun brother, reactivate that honey, sweetie, the love of my life, heart throb, my word, my crown, my king, the sugar in my bread. Well, lay waking here for home. Ya poking, ya pomazi ya or tia. Dodo, creating it time for ono ebro. Ya odine unye. Ono ke nwo ogonu kege kun ogonu kege ele just kun imu ikan so imu konu ge push e kwa bed elo. Hey, stop wa. Where is it when you table for two nje bu po table for two aran kan me shop right away pan see when you yiri bomb shot or yes I yiri trust LNC sa jeme ikan end ho na make holy ba sa jeme mburu tura pai ba ho jeme mburu ebu o ya mane ni ya logo gba no logo gbe mi ni no record sexy o time maria as far as you know ya re ni sexy LSC gwa jeme rapa ihu some guessing because po iwelewewe igi hu we ye ya toni shazu mba ngo se munye ya re ni sexy ki ga hu ndi ahun ri ogbo wa ba yenya munye dress ya ohun o dress ya ika hu ike olu apagi mewe we gi lele munye imare ni iro ni o mane ma iweri munye o de jese out there anniversary no ike yen do ho amani do we welu munye we ai marriage aroka marriage asoze kiroze anniversary me onwo hilu munye ime onwo hiwe kweri nari ego yazo kirishi kilero yazozi that anniversary yahu birthday hell ipo wenya egu enya gi okwu ahụ egu just nya ha na birthday also na ni ngoni gift bụ na ebo also ya ma bụ na ebu akote ke ma bụ sha bụ ebo atike anu then anniversary je arilazo bwechi amam ni heri kan ishe book meke bo brother bwechi me da bwechi me phone reminder bwechi Facebook as your birthday date so that when you have birthday Facebook when you have honey tani ken weri yo tani ken kweri nen ka lo dey mpoko eleke yo just money ye correct market mpa another thing wu igoto nwenyi arek maka mpa understanding ndi bukpa igoto nwenyi igota nwenyi aghota arek maka mpa marriage o meni aghota ni di o ya aghota ni nwenyi ofukonru ofukumekonru orokama yeweri because yamanya onu gele na aghota nwenyi onu o na aghota di onu makesini onu enwode fe to otawe onu enwode fe onu keke otawe onu acho ne onu enwode that time nke ni ya lurugwa ihe hu ya werie elerera o meni nwunye iwe onye afọ so meho ya mani oge ke ya yes onye ole ne character obu onye ole ke oge bi ya saka change here yes onwe bi ka saka change ru here but onwe bibi o meni onye ahụ ira koria ira ke chukwu gi ke werie ke ge hu ya try ni understand onye ahụ try ni understand ya yes o meni onye aganero ira ko ge ku nwunye ile kuzini one of my friends dear lagane welcome look dear my fefe ya ma here woman me do the girl no say ogan you wan gan mboroma ogan just say honey you are shouting ira ko apply that wisdom once so kumele ogun say honey you are shouting ya olu the man oloya also now wa shut up in a calm way so la shut up the man they couldn't temper you know ira kore igota di igota we orokumaka banja bosa jeni oku ebukumoko down ohu ni ka ghọta ni ụmụnụ nyere mmanwụ na eri perfect enyi le chane ele just a try even in meri okwu nwoku nke mri mishi are nem perfect ụmụnụ nyere perfect but I can try sorry kwoma as women frankly we don't disturb. Learn to understand us. If you learn to understand your woman, you have a peaceful home. Ihe ọzọ nkeke eku ni ya hụ ezigbo marriage is one. Marriage eroma. Marriage ihe electronic marriage we leke marriage ahụ. Ihe di na nwunye rụgba ma ọnwụ di na nwunye. Elo onye hu so ka rụrụ re marriage. Wo kan ye kan rụ. Wo kpo kan rụ. Ono so saka bi de ro ase. Yes. Because most marriages onu be an ikpo horu no waru. O kanye mme nwunye njo. O sakasa nwunye mekpele. O sakasa agbare. Ikenye ndi agbo. Karata ni onu eka. Ori onu eka. O na amasi nwunye onu ekpele. O na amasi nwunye onu sorry ke han. Isi nwunye sorry ni mefie. O ni ihe onafo ye ho me. Nwunye ike gwa sorry ye buru ni microphone ya ho onye okike ibu arịrị nwe ba ho osisi kwa nwunye sorry yes onwe kesi mo nwene ka ihu eba nya ha marriage we get peaceful ikan ndi agbo try ni no no say nwunye onu imefe si nwunye gbaare also ho message no pozo ji ni message because one ihe agbaka kpoko ishikari ihe those nonsense on email but kowasina uye mekpele gbare and ye cheari o LSC gwa gbare ye show so the je ni girlfriend message send me your naked picture yari ohun yen ya hu here Bible cool o si ebo ke ngori owu ime wo so solobwe o si ebo ohu na ohu ibugba ma nko gi ngori o si 1 + 1 is sim tumba imenyo solobwe 1 + 1 1 + 1 wo so munye iwu nke Mwenye unke. Ehuiro. Onu hano. Another thing one. You better trust in mwenye. Yes, and we are better trust in my marriage. I want to better see my mother swag. This is how I can speak. I'm learning to be perfect, and I will be perfect by the grace of God. So many miss me with English. I will India born part Nigeria, part Abo, part English because I can't even law sweet, but Keleku trust. Or my campa. Or one day who will be and we who obodebo. Asewe asopogwo law. Yes, because I trust in him. Yasaka kuneyi. Yasaka vines in a bone. On one here many. Let one hear we on one here work a guam seni dimen, sembalia. On one here work a guam ni dimen, say Jokuro no me. And I believe ne the same thing. On one here work a gua. Sebia muye Amanda o mehen okaseba awon hewa ka go kase jokuru e kare ama okay mekwata trust my dear. I will put English, okay, because I have some followers who are nauticals. You just have to. I'm not a racist. This message is for everyone. Yes, if you are a car, you are a robot, you are for anybody. As long as you listen to this message, it is to benefit everybody, irrespective of your tribe, your religious or anything you are. So if I speak a car, you take me. If I mix it with English, please accept me for who I am. You understand? Trusting with you. And we you need Jesus aka trust it because in the amanonu ha one mefiele so many times so many diona saka kononu yini on many yen. Yes. Ondio yibosi trust is N. O many choni di trust ni choni wiyen trust ye build ya twan ye build because we say egini wa won yohu gitun lo egini wa pok yohu gitun lo era kende agboko ona no dodo en ihe ozo ke kuzi wo mari atrai no no agbare ohu ni di esi wiye mepele o gbare mi here ohu no gbare o me na ori o ya gbare o me na ori o ya gbare o meni o mekene orioi ya gbaria dodo o me because clear even enyiwa o no ngo yo meni eye mefie ni o no yo meni enya offend no solobo even mo o ga ile igise nwa emesile hien o mehu emesile hien irakelu we no ikenye makesa wudi ike tatako we wo mwe osa ni diko mwe ko wo efiase weka enyarere we enyana base we molo ihe dodo kan lari anyilo onwo no maka pono o maka ni menwa o o maka ni yonwa o onwo no maka enyamu amu onwe bu ndibesi ije dinewe ekere ya we kuye Omo igbagbo hu sim na ikuoku nchono no buche di comment ne oka ohu online oka agun oso wo dia ni ri nne ya wan riobodebo dia riobodebo no se no chono lo watokpo wa igbagba wa but nne igbagba wa se ni ochoni ni boyfriend aloro o se ni meskuoku no Nenjono keni olo the man abino weri ndumodo nelagwa so daroni nre online nengoma comment so that me yon ebo agwono yes my dear ndu fear God ikpo honwe jono ejokuro ikpo honwe jono enwe jono nya ege soro kama na ighot ikpo onwe ikpo ndi ohun we gwa yoku heu ye weri eriri ye jede honwe but you tale ni jono ko won ohun problem won ohun character ya manager okumele ye weri ihe vacancy Iweri ya fakentin or ya bo mulo. As man of the house, you don't need to beg. Oh, please, Evans. Yeah, the mentality most agbomen in one. Yahokuniku, saying as the man of the house, you don't need to beg for anything. Ejoku, you have to. If you offend your wife, you have to tell her sorry. Please. It's you sometimes you have to drop those pride. That pride in you. You can't make those pride of I cannot beg my wife. I cannot be submissive. See, it takes two to tango. Submissiveness is from both people. So you must tell your wife sorry if you offend her. There is no big deal about it. It does not take anything from you. So, there one going back to you. Evans. How many yamasi when you sorry? Moi. If not, he can't change like he make bo. Ilon e tanekele ya lohon ekele ahun. Ipo ke na rekwa no kwe biwa gale ne ye wogo. Ni ngwa ejoku. Kori kan kori po. Ihe le chokoro. Ihe le deserve. So ye nwe ye yo. Oh. Thank you, blessing. Women will get bad mind. No. Yes. Jennifer Eziago, truth. Forgiveness is the key to every marriage. Tiki Posh, they should apologize when they are naked, right? Okay. Opa the other room. You want to your body's auto. Your body's auto sa ekbelo. Oh, thank you, Jennifer. Thank you, my darling sister from UK. Hope you guys are staying safe. Oh, my dear Prince Daniel, thank you so much. I appreciate you. Yes, thank you. Yes, you can end up it's your mamoka, ejokuro. Yamani. Isha hiyo kaike abo okun but ona ile kun okun na kere ro wa mugwa ya otanu no we change yo e can end up home men they are still good men e can end up o we ya ro ma o but ahun me kare nwe wa han we me kare ko nwe but they are still good e can end up go zo koma at least wa gi nwe e we ri ogun ewo nde mane ko because amari mo wa gi nwe e we ri ogun ewo but what try just that ama we o say niwe wala wa hu yenya o ahun wenwe wenya but aso we ka o si wenye we ni ahun ko me enya o we me kare nwe we me buga enya mani o ikenya gbo enya mani no love wen no so onu mexico guy eyin we gizu chegi son. Yes, Sonny Bobo, you are true. Any marriage in wale need trust, any love in wale need trust on wale. Yes, trust is very vital in every relationship. It's Slimzy Somsy. Thank you so much, my sister. Yes, Ejokuro, Jennifer Isogo. Oh, mononyeri perfect. Oh, Ejokuro, it's only God. We all try to make perfection. Ejokuro. Yeah, Darone, Ejokuro. Yes, Franklin, sometimes you just have to. You have to drop your pride. Oh, many Yahua, this pride. Oh, many kekwen sote offende wa chuku. Olo ya so slow bare munjo. Nresho na fufu ne meni ola tata na ya taka. Meaning pride is the fall of every great person. By way, cause pride goes before a fall. Oh, many able to know where yale. Iwe bucho nwe elu idna ya oge me most men dane kike nwe ya ware ye ni weka. Yes, nwe ya ware zine ye ni weka idna ya dachame imekari onwe wesi ndi agbosi wa ologbo kanu me icho ni mega buga elemuliwe elebi muere mba oroma. So yes, best. And you go come teach me agbo. You know? So I'm very happy because after this message I'm going to write you personally best. Ikabeda kuzimeka. You know? Ikabeda kuzimeka. Nlache kejim ikao. Yes. Yes. Tiki Posh. Also ikayende home anyways. We will picture on where she Jenny girlfriend. Me wa Mario. But so many work many. Odiri obibi ahun ye changing. Thank you, Prince Kelvin. Yes, Ejokuro sister isi o ma moka. Ikanye ndi gbohun yen weli. O mo video post on my wall yesterday. Abi onya ho abi title. O kan ye huge la fun ahun yen ipa. afia we ye pa like say ne the woman e wo enemy like say kwensu ya bia da lo so ko o many wo kan yen yes this matter reka vital yes o ho mani ye kufu assistant ni oku ye bufu oku o many wo kan yen le gbu yen yi o ga le ya fia we yen pa o ga le ye gi we ya am wrestling ya mari de ni we gi wrestling gwe enwero gender apply for boxing get pego some of these men we dey ka fia we ye we le okay ya saka gbo okay ihu okay gba fe ya ye we dey also but e gi we ya practice abigail ma ifana me okay ye we dey ka gbu we ohun elezo kan ye anu ko wa anu manu men mo kule dem kan anu manu o me ni wo kan ye gbu we ifana we ya meme ifenunwe ya meme because igwe dey ka fia won ele hin o ye butuolo won ya le ano o kan ye wule gbu yen ili kandi kaikan chona ona afia bi oko mbagbare no ona adamtin oroma arilegbu yen ika do my dear every pride Chibes Osasco every pride they do pass, every tribe they do pass themselves. It did everybody body. That's why we all want to change. Oh, thank you, Jennifer. How the man could they joke on the Masuda go home? Hell, when you make one bottle of Heineken for you there. Take it. Yes, my dear. Yes, I've watched that. It is really wrong. And Cherio, talking about this husband beating their wife. Chedi na ekune joko yamana nwo ikan ndi ohun la tafufu eka wiyewe this domestic violence eli ipoho suso la tafufu amen it just as ipoho ekun afuha ihan le wiye yintin ekun afuha ihan le se o makese opoho ro yamana we meke nenye omi ken makese iwe ipoho onwo ikan ndi ohun okay, my dear, so I'll give you a origin. Oh, my pohondi ohun legi oyeri diwe memulo. Oh, my pohondi ohun many egwani diwe kopu ebuere. Oh, my pohondi ohun many diwe wa tushelu amadi especially ndi akaponi ahun di burigide those short women we tushelu amawe diwe ora. Munemi kenye. O many lo won yo many ogui. Obu ile opokin ye mu lo oso ye ko inyori dodo report wa ndi po say mouth seal is destiny sabi mouth close is destiny seal ahaidela kwafu ha o many wo akapo when ya akpo those akapo women o many wo kan ye wi en le gbu dode pu melonu yo kufu ha where some money kwegi ni ye ka o depression is real o je da kugbu wi e ke lo eli ko gbo mortuary o many lo opo le gbu ili when the ejoku because yama here hayogi many Prevela Austin you see when we behave anyhow ni jada gwa family we eson ko we ku we who esen ku erole ni maka se family eson na ku ebire emi ni nari we esen ku ohu ne son wa ku ohu ne ya wanu esoko wa ku wanu anu kan ndi mu amare kan wa we no ile ku ne ira korea ya mane before ya biada alwa ira korea but above all ihe ke kusi a man is a king. That is true. Agbo women, your man is your king. Our man is our king. And we are the queen to our king. Iwez Kenneth. Yes. We are the queen to the king. So we both deserve respect. There is no marriage without. There is no smooth marriage. There's no perfect marriage. We always have to put in our best. Like I said, marriage is the effort of two couples, two people. It is not for one person to handle. The husband must be involved. The wife must be involved to make it a perfect marriage. Iwano? So perfect marriage will the effort of the winye and dear Darone. So I'm going to end here. Nka end here ben, but nka go comment. O me no wo hu kebuche ono ebuche mu ono. No, my sister Chibe Osasko. Another thing ikpoho ono ya roma. How many actually we fanyora ekule joku. Bu mebe lo no. Yes, amamne owo okohu nem ku o si wa gi ke hu gi ko hia gi ka if not your room when you give your son make is your son still breastfeeding is your son still breastfeeding ye da fafu hanwa ye da fafu am so egile make ke hu gi ko yoko gi ka ikaro nwe ye ho ono anu sometimes ihu anokwa ho icho neku nokwa ho anyeka ya do nwe yo don tu onwe mbo tu onwe mbo ni okwe enyo ejono elehon zenko nonsense me don't say so okay nonsense who said nonsense now I didn't mention nonsense. Okay, someone said I should not end it. Okay, I'm here. Thank you so much, Sister Victoria. Okay, you make my pet, Sister Victoria. I enjoy those comments. Honestly, I went to someone the day you are really cow woman. And I love you for that. I love you for that. Yes, Crown Saturday. Good afternoon. I wish I could spend the whole day talking with you guys. You guys are really, really, really wonderful. All the don't equipment, like I say, yes, so talk. And use him and Tiki Posh. He used him Jade Yemwam and Rakiken. You let him do end it. Ele like confusing my brain. Don't the way come my yo. Ele don't end it. So I wonder how le kuzikwasi wela chonwe o won here on Chon state eben I remain too matchmaking the people. Yes, I remain into matchmaking because on one day they henim Amanda la chonwe Amanda dem ndia ball like that Amanda dem we ikpo ndia ball like that so like I say as in LSA marry we one way as much friends and we can we like that most people marry alogo ngba wele riweti we dodo ni ehende ho say choye nwe find me responsible girl brother don't get where you the friend we le adam here ke totun also na we kalo please go and marry that guy I don't do matchmaking and I want to see omo ipo onde ho kapuani when so many are potential man okay now how many la chonwe you can write me I'll publish it but hide your identity. O many la choka I ka choko alia okay alogongba obode bo abi alogongba Nigeria a choko de ka enya la chonde ka to get saying wayo hu na eleku si we roll with yes my dear I roll with both the married and single. That being married does not make me bigger than anyone single. We are all one. After all, we are one single before we got married. So you can flow with anybody that your spirit actually accepts. So in this anyway, Choco, thank you, Sister Victoria. You make in this anyway, Choco D. In this anyway, Choco Mwe. I want you to maybe my next live video, I will have a telephone number. I will hide your identity. So I don't want to fit your kind of person like you on a crew, but I will not be responsible for anything that comes out of it. I call him here on a matchmaking. It's not my job, but I'll try. Because I know there are some single brothers, so many were or some single sisters or in easy boho. Yes, it was Iwe working it. I am in Lagos. Yes, Prince Justin Obu. I am happily married, mother of 3 kids. Yes. My dear Linda Morogi, I understand some of our women are bad when it comes to maltreating their men. Yes, I understand. Yeah. Thank you so much, Golden Bob Salami. I beg, talking pitch, Jade Kunoni Boy lawyer, no? Ye be I can boy, she that Lauren Dibo. Thank you. Ilacho when your boy Kabiada law. What's your problem? Will you go home and just come breastfeed your husband? One big remember my family. I'm the last girl in my family, and all my sisters are married. Kenneth Oko. It was the younger ones, Jare. Yes, it was him. So any more message? Can I now please end this video so I can attend to my kids? Oh, life good. I wish to stay, but we'll be doing more live videos. Maybe this time I'll get a phone number where you guys can call and we can talk. I'll get to hear your voice one-on-one and get to hear my voice too. Yeah, so the reason why the marriage is not working is because they want the wife to make everything work, but not knowing the two. Yes, that is what I'm saying. Prevalia Austin. Yes, two people really have to work hard to make marriage successful. It is not one. It shouldn't be one-sided. Elenye onye hu kasaka manage. Elenye we be an okpokoso. Elenye we be ani okay so. Ndị abo say eka ni we hencha, eka ni we hemini, ni we pogba ma mekini omu iraki je marriage ro. Iraki je ngbare. Mmade bo no ebo ka ru gba ma. O meni hu na onye shokun, onye busom molulu. Nya han, onwo hi oslobo ms onim. Mbane bo furu na alu onwewe. O many the woman onye onye shahiokon ya hwane the man onye shalulale irakore. Yes, irakore. So I can try and compliment it. My dear, I'll send your origin. Yes, that's what I want to hear. Thank you. Yeah. Yes. No matter how bad the Ika women are, but we are still the best. Ika women are still the best. Give it to us any day, anytime. We are still the best. And we hard working and yeah, lands also. It's just that now this youngest lapa. Watch on where we be Jane. It can equal the Agbenya and yeah, lands. Let's cool. Yes, the car women are the best. We are good. So all the car women's highs for you girls, highs for you all. Oh no, like our car women are good. And I hold the could So thank you all. I'll just give this a wrap. Maybe another day. So okay, one phone number. On one day say I want to talk with you. Sorry, I can't give out my personal number right now, but okay, one number many on Kasaki with him on WhatsApp. You share some of your messages and he chone and Darren, yes, I love you all. Yes, thank you so much. Be Christian Chuku. Yes, progress is good more two good heads actually. Let me go back. Yes, the joint account thing, it has to do with two of you. You have to agree. I don't know how you behave at Peace Justin Obu. Yes, a joint account is your personal decision. If you trust your husband that much and you guys are willing to live together for the rest of your life, why not go ahead and have joint account? You understand? Thank you so much, Jennifer. Yes, I treated the blessing of Basie Seke. I treated that. Our men really don't know how to say sorry, but they will learn. They really have to learn. I know someone that will be saying, Amanda Mayor, I know someone right now that is watching after this video. Say, Joko, Enyaku, sorry. Hey, Jokuro, oh, Mama, sorry. Ikayende Abo, Mona, or Kamuma, Yaha, other tribe, Gasake Zunu, we know, well, we know, Lodru, but on Masaka, some, we know, sorry. Oh, money, le. Oh, money, you can now for it. Oh, money, you can now for rather, okay, ye more blessing because all being when ye is so, oh, say, quali, many, very. Oh. Iwe bobi aso we ye so when you want no taleni ime we ye no bi so o se kwale many ikpere o se kwale many ikpere o se kwale jede de to hien obi we ye so ini obi so ye anwere ye peace o many ikpere o woni ya hu ibu eka che kole ni dawa ikpere we ye ore kan pa or very powerful. So see we ye sorry. You shower with love. On we can do we dress it up and the room when you can never compliment her. You have to say, honey, you look beautiful. We women we enjoy such compliments. Yeah, man. We enjoy such compliments. Hey, say, baby, you are beautiful, honey. You are beautiful. On my hair dress is a cool. Oh, one of my friends or see or dress it go no way. All of them on it bomb shot. How long on the bomb shot? Nothing no treaty ko. Also no treaty ko dear or homa or dress it ko make it up or fist into to spray perfume or where she hele ne or in my bedroom. okwe change olosi no hulu azileke socho no werizi ihe no ikpo na marizi ka iji aru ano osi no hulu no werizi ihe kedie soli azi ihe oliale ni for a long time osi memere oko ahụ dị ma na eru emi hey oh woman ho na kwa oh na kwa Isa men and Igbo men don't take our women yes ebonye ole ahụ love ya weri kilonya gbo kilonya binio kilonya isha kilonya riverso ebo ole ahụ love ehu efu won loro marry they go the most important thing is saying yes Opika women so Darone, I want to go. Dodoni. So we'll come your way. I'll still be reading comments. I'll come back and reply to all messages. So yes, we all are good women. Thank you, Franklin Mishak. I enjoy your comment. Tiki Poshly many wrong and this con boy busy. All right, you all take care and above all, please let's still observe the social distancing. Is very, very important. Wash your hands, sanitize your hands, and maintain personal hygiene. So I love you all. Bye.